Good morning, students. Students, in last video, we had learned about the internet and how to communicate using email and chat options. Let us now learn how to exchange and share files and information using the cloud service over the internet. So, students, are you excited to learn about the cloud? Yes, so let's start. In that first we are going to see what is a cloud. The cloud or cloud storage is a means of storing digital data on the internet. As you have as you would save on your personal computer. Think about it. What happened to your photo when you upload it on Facebook? It has to be stored somewhere, right? Else, how would you find it again in the photo album of your account? These photos are stored on a server maintained by the social media giant. These servers also constitute the cloud storage as provided by the Facebook. Cloud computing allows you to access shared network computing resources over the internet. These resources may include storage space, servers, software, applications, and services. Cloud computing is linked to cloud storage. While cloud storage provides you with space to save your data, cloud computing provides you with computing systems to access and work on the data stored. Some of the prominent commercial brands offering cloud storage for use include Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OpenDrive, Apple iCloud, Mediafire, etc. Let us have a look at some of the advantages of using cloud computing and cloud storage. In that first, cost saving. Cloud computing reduces your investment in infrastructure and its maintenance. This also helps in improving operational efficiency and productivity. Next, improved collaboration. Cloud applications improve collaboration by allowing people from different organizations to connect virtually and share information quickly through shared storage. Next, security and data backup. Since the infrastructure and applications are provided by the service provider, they also ensure security of data based on the cloud option selected. This also reduces the compli- compliance cost, sorry, the compliance cost in an organization. In addition, the data is allows all the data is always available as a backup at another location for future reference. Next, flexible storage. The cloud provides with the different storage options based on the requirement and cost. Thus, you can select the appropriate option based on your current needs and then switch to another option when required. Next, updated software. Cloud computing usually provides the latest versions of software needed to run the business. The latest version of software is usually available over the cloud as soon as these are released. However, storing your personal and professional data using cloud storage pose the following risk that you need to be aware of. In that first, restrictions of accessibility. Without an internet connection, you will not be able to access your own data stored in the cloud. Concern about Concerns about security and privacy. Servers, servers maintained by large companies are often targets of data theft by professional hackers. There is also the risk in handling over your confidential information to a third party. Next limitation is bandwidth limitation. When storing data using a cloud service, you are restricted by the data limit imposed by the service. Any expenditure to store additional data can become costly. So, these are some advantages and limitations by using the cloud storage. Now, we are going to learn the types of cloud. In that, there are three main types of cloud computing available based on the level of security required for the data being stored. You can select the type of cloud service that you would like to use. Generally, an individual will use a public cloud to store personal information, while an organization would use a private and hybrid cloud to store information. There are the three types of cloud computing are in that first one public cloud, second private cloud, and third hybrid cloud. Now students, we are going to see one by one the type of cloud. In that first one is public cloud. The complete computing infrastructure is owned by a company that provides a storage service. Thus, the data is stored on a third party premise, not allowed by the company or its customers, and the customer has no control over which part of infrastructure is being used for storage. This computing infrastructure is shared by those organizations which provide cloud service to the end users. Examples of companies that provide public cloud storage include Amazon Web Services, IBM Cloud, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure Cloud. These services are useful for organizations or individuals who can benefit from shared resources available at lower cost. So students, this about the public type cloud. Now next we are going to see the second type of cloud is private cloud. The computing infrastructure is dedicated to one organization only, while the location of the infrastructure may be on premise or off premise. The data is most secure since the resources are not shared. The security, privacy, and control level is better than private cloud. Also, a private cloud offers additional customization options. Private cloud storage services are available at higher cost and are often used by large organizations such as government agencies or financial institutions. These organizations obtain these services from companies such as Dell, Oracle, Microsoft, Cisco, Oracle, etc. Next, the third type of cloud is hybrid cloud. The computing infrastructure is a mix of private and public clouds. Also, the public cloud services are usually provided by multiple service providers. This, this is cost effective and yet secured as you can host crucial applications and data over a private cloud, while applications and data is no secured concern can be hosted on a public cloud. For example, you can use a public cloud to host information available in the public domain while storing customer sensitive data over a private cloud. Hybrid clouds are commonly used by companies which require public clouds to, to gather data from customers, partners, and private clouds to store data to store that data. Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, etc. are some of the companies that offer hybrid cloud storage. So, students, these are the three types of clouds. I hope you all have understood about the clouds and the types of cloud. Here we are going to stop. Thank you. Have a nice